Hey friends, if you wish to fix Microsoft Office error code 3001526 or 3001545 on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now you can go to apps on the list on the left hand side. Select installed apps. Wait for it to load. The list is in alphabetical order. You can scroll down to Microsoft Office. Click on the three dots here, select modify, online repair and repair it. And the reason I suggest this over other solutions that other channels and websites mention is because I know they won't work. This is a critical error and you need to perform an online repair. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.